All right, George, we're back with Frisbee, so we're just getting him started going on the cot a little bit because he's scared to death of this thing. So we're not going to start doing the down on there yet, but just getting him to go on there. He's terrified of the cot. It's a condition called terracotta. No, that's something else. Never mind. Oh, there, he's going on it now. Oh, he was going every which way but loose. Because we definitely want to get him going in a place so that when you're at home working, we can... Oh, the legs are going to just collapse out from under this thing here in a minute with him. Oh, with his big weight. All through. Nice. He likes to go every which way but on it. Good. Oh, good boy. Frisbee. I don't want any of you doing this at home. Here, we just get him going on it this way. Here we go. There we go. Oh, no, he doesn't like it. Oh, good boy. All right, so we're just working on our heeling and downing, and really we just... Oh, good boy. Oh, and he just loves his brother. Loves his brother. They play and play. If I can get him trained up enough before Bodie goes home, because Bodie's going to be here for a month, I'd like to do a tandem with both of them walking side by side since they look so similar. All through. Frisbee. Oh, that's a big improvement. All right, so we want to start working on our heeling and getting him going down. Once we can do that, then we can start going off. So remember, we're pulling him around the corner. This guy walking up here. Let's describe this really good. Down. You're actually going down on your own without me telling you. Good boy. So I'm adding my pager. Good boy. You can see this dog, as opposed to that Doberman, does go already on his side. And you see what happened there. I made a fast move because I knew he was getting ready to get up. And you don't want that. I don't want him getting up and then getting all these corrections, blah, 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 blah. Because remember, it's not a correction-based dynamic. Right, and I really should have the sound box on, but Eddie got back in the cage. I will use it tomorrow. It was way back in the corner before I could get it off of him. He gets hinky if you try to reach in towards him. So I said, hey, down. So I did add my pager right there. Frisbee! Got my leash loose. My hands in front of me. That pager. Oh, he's a neck scratcher. Boy, that's what he was doing earlier. He wasn't going down. He was neck scratching. Boy. Pulling him around that turn. Loosening up my leash. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Don't you roll your eyes at me, little man. that pager and pull him around that turn. Heel. And you can see when I'm doing that turn, I'm not having any forward motion. Turning, then I'm going forward. I'm going to do demonstrations of how all of you do it. That's wrong later. I told you we're going to start having more comedy. Let me give him something to pull around though. If I'm stepping away from the dog, that's not going to work. Down. Oh, yeah. Good. Frisbee. Getting up right there, but I didn't make any kind of move. That might have been the self-fulfilling prophecy if I would have done that. Heel. Here comes some woman walking with two little dogs. Just a stab in the dark. Heel. That's going to be a distraction for Frisbee, so we'll go down here, give her a chance to get around this way. Not down here. That one, I don't know if you guys ever, oh my goodness, stop that scratching. Down. Titus used to do that. Was Molly Shannon, and she walked with her arms real straight beside her. All right, you need to move up here, Crystal, because I'm going to be going directly towards these dogs. If I need to, George, this is where I'm going to add my hook. Right after I fix this shirt. Just a stab in the dark, Frisbee boys. Going to be distracted by these dogs. Put my foot on there, let me know. Right now, no, down. I'm probably going to stay in motion. If you have a dog that's difficult to control around a distraction, you need to remain in motion as opposed to down, trying to make it remain stationary because I've got more control in motion. Feel. Tear me to shreds. I saw that one coming, girl. Good boy. Good. Down. All right, George, he's doing fantastic. More updates soon.